Garlic is one of the most widely used ingredients in the culinary world. It's found in nearly every cuisine across the globe, loved for its rich, bold flavor and numerous health benefits. From Italian pasta sauces to Asian stir-fries, garlic adds a depth of flavor that cannot be replicated by any other ingredient. But have you ever wondered how this humble bulb of garlic is grown, processed, and shipped globally? The journey from farm to table is a fascinating one, involving many stages and a global supply chain that ensures garlic reaches kitchens all around the world. In this video, we will take a deep dive into the process of growing, processing, and shipping garlic on a global scale, covering every aspect of its journey from the farm to its eventual destination in homes and restaurants worldwide. Garlic farming, where it all begins. The process of growing garlic begins on farms around the world, most notably in China, which is the largest producer of garlic. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO), China accounts for nearly 80% of the global garlic production. Other significant garlic producers include India, Spain, Egypt, and the United States. Planting garlic. The garlic is typically planted in the fall in well-drained, fertile soil that is rich in organic matter. Farmers use garlic cloves, the individual segments of a garlic bulb, to plant new crops. The cloves are separated from the bulb and planted about 1 to 2 inches deep into the soil with the pointed end facing up. Over time, these cloves will sprout and develop into full garlic bulbs. Garlic grows best in temperate climates, with cold winters and warm summers. In places like China, the ideal growing conditions allow for the cultivation of garlic in large quantities. Garlic plants typically take 8 to 9 months to mature, with harvest season occurring in late spring to early summer, depending on the region. Garlic varieties. Garlic comes in different varieties, with the two main types being soft-neck and hard-neck garlic. Soft-neck garlic is the most common type grown for commercial purposes. It is characterized by its pliable neck, which makes it ideal for braiding and long-term storage. This type of garlic is commonly used for processing and is found in bulk in supermarkets worldwide. Hardneck garlic, as the name suggests, has a rigid stem, and its cloves tend to have a more intense flavor. While hardneck garlic is often used for specialty products like garlic scapes, it is less common in global trade. Once garlic is harvested, it must be properly cured to ensure its longevity and quality during transport. Garlic curing and processing, from fresh bulbs to market-ready products. Curing garlic. After harvesting, the garlic bulbs need to be cured. Curing is a critical step that involves drying the garlic in a cool, well-ventilated area for several weeks. The drying process helps reduce moisture content in the bulbs, which prevents them from rotting during storage in transit. Curing also helps to enhance the flavor of the garlic and allows the outer skin to become papery, making the garlic easier to handle and package. In large-scale garlic production, farmers often set up curing barns or sheds where garlic bulbs are hung in bundles to dry. Garlic processing methods. Once the garlic has been cured, it can be processed in several ways before being shipped around the world. The processing method often depends on the intended end use of the garlic. Below are some of the most common garlic processing techniques. Fresh garlic bulbs. Some garlic is shipped and sold fresh in bulk. After curing, garlic bulbs are cleaned, with any dirt or debris removed. The outer skins may also be trimmed to enhance the visual appeal. Fresh garlic is typically packed in mesh bags or crates for easy transport. Peeled garlic. Peeled garlic is another popular product that is in high demand, especially in the food service industry. To produce peeled garlic, workers use automated machines or manual labor to remove the skins from the cloves. The cloves are then cleaned, sorted, and packed into containers for shipment. Peeled garlic is typically sold to processors who further prepare it for use in processed foods or restaurants. Garlic powder and granules. Garlic powder and granules are among the most common processed garlic products found on store shelves. To create these products, garlic is first dried in industrial dryers or dehydrators to remove all moisture. The dried garlic is then ground into powder or granules using specialized milling machines. Garlic powder is used in a variety of processed food products, from snack foods to sauces. Garlic oil. Garlic oil is another processed product that is widely used in both food and cosmetic industries. To produce garlic oil, garlic cloves are crushed and mixed with vegetable oil or olive oil. The mixture is then heated to extract the garlic flavor, and the oil is strained to remove any solid garlic pieces. The resulting garlic oil is used in cooking or as a flavoring agent. Frozen garlic. Frozen garlic is another option for consumers who prefer the convenience of having pre-peeled or minced garlic ready to use. To produce frozen garlic, garlic cloves are first peeled and then chopped or minced. The garlic is then quickly frozen to preserve its flavor and freshness. This form of garlic is often sold in small packages or ice cube trays and is a convenient option for home cooks and restaurants alike. Global garlic trade, the logistics of shipping millions of tons worldwide. Once the garlic is processed, the next step is shipping it to global markets. Garlic is exported to nearly every country, and the logistics of getting it from the farm to the consumer are highly complex. Garlic exporters and importers. China is by far the largest exporter of garlic in the world. The country's vast production capacity allows it to supply garlic to countries across the globe. Other significant exporters of garlic include Spain, India, and the United States. In the United States, garlic is typically imported from China, although domestic garlic production, especially in California, also contributes to the supply. The state of California is one of the largest garlic producers in the US, with the majority of garlic being grown in the San Joaquin Valley. Importers and distributors in various countries play a vital role in bringing garlic to local markets. Once the garlic reaches these importers, it is distributed to wholesalers, retailers, and food processing companies. Shipping garlic, transportation and storage. Garlic is typically transported via sea, air, or land, depending on the distance and urgency of the shipment. Sea freight. Sea freight is the most common method used to ship garlic internationally. Garlic is typically packed into containers and shipped by cargo ships. Containers are carefully loaded with garlic bulbs, peeled garlic or processed garlic products, and the shipment is sent to port facilities around the world. Shipping garlic by sea allows for large quantities of garlic to be transported at a relatively low cost, although it does take time, sometimes several weeks, for the garlic to reach its destination. Air freight. For more urgent shipments or for higher quality garlic products, air freight may be used. While more expensive than sea freight, air transport offers faster delivery times. Garlic that is shipped by air is typically processed garlic, such as peeled garlic or garlic powder, which is packed in vacuum-sealed bags or containers to prevent damage during transit. Land transportation. Once garlic reaches a port, it is often transported via trucks or trains to various distribution centers or retail locations within the country. Land transportation is used for domestic shipments, such as when garlic is moved from California's garlic farms to warehouses or grocery stores across the United States. Storage and handling. Proper storage and handling are crucial to maintaining the quality of garlic during transit and storage. Garlic needs to be stored in cool, dry, and well-ventilated conditions to prevent spoilage. In large distribution centers and warehouses, garlic is often stored in climate-controlled rooms to ensure it remains fresh until it is distributed to retailers and consumers. Garlic processing for specialty markets. Value-added products. Beyond the standard forms of garlic like fresh bulbs, peeled cloves, and garlic powder, there are also several value-added products that cater to niche markets. These products are typically made in smaller batches and are targeted at consumers who are looking for unique or premium garlic-based products. Garlic supplements. Garlic is widely known for its health benefits, which has led to the creation of garlic supplements. Garlic supplements are produced by drying garlic and then grinding it into powder or extracting its active compounds, such as allicin. These supplements are sold in pill or capsule form and are marketed for their potential benefits in improving cardiovascular health, boosting the immune system, and reducing inflammation. Garlic paste and minced garlic. Garlic paste and minced garlic are other value-added products that make cooking more convenient. Garlic paste is typically made by grinding fresh garlic cloves into a smooth paste. It is sold in jars or tubes and can be used as a ready-to-use ingredient in cooking. Minced garlic, on the other hand, is simply garlic that has been chopped into small pieces and is often sold in jars, making it easy for consumers to incorporate garlic into their meals without the need for peeling and chopping. Garlic chips. Garlic chips are another specialty product that has gained popularity in recent years. Garlic cloves are thinly sliced and fried until crispy, creating a flavorful snack or topping for various dishes. These chips are often packaged in small bags and marketed as a gourmet snack or a topping for salads, pizzas, and other savory dishes. The journey of garlic from the farm to global markets is an intricate and fascinating process. From its cultivation in fields across the world to its processing into various forms and its subsequent shipment to destinations all over the globe, garlic is a true international commodity, with millions of tons of garlic being grown, processed, and shipped each year. The garlic industry plays a significant role in the global food trade. As consumer demand for garlic continues to grow, especially in processed forms like garlic powder, peeled cloves, and garlic oil, the global garlic supply chain is expected to continue evolving. With advancements in technology and logistics, it will be interesting to see how the garlic industry adapts to meet the demands of an increasingly globalized and health-conscious market. From the fields of China to the dinner tables of the world, garlic's global journey is a testament to the power of agriculture, processing, and global trade. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.